Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this pom with the Pom Pom maker from Clover here. I'm going to leave a link down below if you're interested in this product, but also I'm going to give this away with a few other things in my next video. So stay tuned, and down below will be the link for the information on that giveaway. So to get started, you have the Pom Pom maker, and you're going to start on one of the sides here. You just take your yarn and just start wrapping from one side to this other side, back and forth a few times until you can't see the green. So once you start on one side, you'll just finish on the other side and then go back to the other side. And this will be done a few times to make it thick to create your pom. Once you get to this one side, then you'll start back onto working your way back onto the other side. You do this 3 to 4 different times, just depending on how thick you want your pom. And so you're working it onto this side. You're going to start right back onto the other side. And this is how you do the one side here. So just continue that until you come to the one side, and then I'm going to start back over to the other side. And so do that until you create your thickness. Probably do this one here and then one back until I create that thickness around for the pom. Once you're done, you're going to close it. And bring your yarn over, and then you're going to start wrapping on this side. So you'll start here just like you did your other side, and then work your way over to this side. And you'll do that a few times just like the other side, the same thickness. Okay, so you're just going to repeat that just like this one. So go back this way, go back that way, and go back that way. And then you'll have the same thickness just like on this side. Okay, so you're at the end here. Cut a tail. And then you're going to close it. And then you're going to start at the end here and then cut right through the center and follow it all the way through. You have that center here, and then follow all the way through to the other side. And then you're going to do the same thing on this side. Cut right into the center, keep it closed, and follow it all the way to the end. And then you're going to take a piece of yarn and tie it around the center a couple of times. And then tie it again. And then you're going to take these two ends and take it apart. And so these two ends, you have to pull them apart. And now you have your pom. But what you'll do is you'll take your loose ends and you're going to cut them. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And if you want more poms in a different size, this does come in a bigger size, so you can make a bigger one. So this is what the little one looks like. And so in my next video, I'll tell you how I'm going to give these away, give that package away to one lucky person. So the link is down below for that. So look out for that video. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.